welcome to Kitchen Basics 101, where I teach you the bare bone basics as if you've never cooked a day in your life from the perspective of a mom. No notebook required right now because I'm not cooking anything. I just got back from the grocery store and I'm about to make myself a sandwich, and I thought I would just share with you my sandwich and share with you this. I just went to go get myself some boar's head meat and they had this dark chocolate hummus, and I'm like, yeah, we're gonna have to try it. Like, hello, looks so good. I got two things to taste it with. I got these pretzel crisps because on the front it recommends pretzels. So I was like, okay, let's try it with a pretzel crisp. So these are just like really thin pretzels. Oh, it's much softer than I thought it would be. I thought it would have a little more firmness. It has the texture of pudding. It's very thin. That's so good. It's like way sweeter and richer than I thought it would be. I thought the hummus would be like overpowering, but that tastes like dessert. Yum. And I also got these plain like pita chips, since to me, when I think hummus, I think pita. So I was like, let me try the pita chips. It's really, really, really good. And like, it tastes like chocolate pudding, to be honest. Like, we could just eat it with a spoon. I think I like the salty little bite of the pretzel better. The pita, I feel like it needs like a sweet and salty thing. Pita's not salty enough. But I imagine it would also be good on like fruit. Like, because it really is really chocolatey. Like, I am shocked at the level of like chocolatiness and not hummusiness that this is giving. Let's look at the details. It's a couple grams of fiber for 2 tablespoons, 3 grams of fiber, and a gram or 2 of protein. So that's fun. And then for my sandwich, I bought Mortadella. You ever had Mortadella? It's so delicious. It usually has pistachios, and it's kind of like bologna. It's like, it has fat. I think it's beef, but it might be beef and pork together. But it has like little like chunks of fat throughout. And then usually you'll also see like a little piece of pistachio. It's Italian. I had never had it until I moved to Philadelphia. And when I lived in Philly, everybody ate the mortadella. I get it sliced thin because that's how the delis in Philly always did it. They would do a thin slice, but then they would kind of like ribbon it onto your sandwich, which is how I like it. That's so good. That way, like, they would like pile it, bunch it up, ribbon it up on your sandwich. I'm gonna do a couple more pieces. It's very, very thinly sliced. Like, it's almost see-through. It's so thin. Do like maybe one more. Yeah. Philly style, go Birds. My husband is very excited for the Super Bowl. Okay, mortadella. Then in Philly, it would always be sharp provolone. It would always be boar's head, by the way. I'd never had that brand until I moved to Philly, and everyone does boar's head in Philly. 2 pieces of sharp provolone. More mayo, because I love mayo. It's about the mayo, guys, okay? You gotta have enough mayo on there. And then I use this balsamic reduction. Oh, it's so good. Maybe I'll do it under my cheese. Do a little drizzle of balsamic reduction onto my mortadella. This gives a little sweet, tangy, like, bite. Yeah. I'm gonna put it under my cheese. And then you gotta do just a little bit pepper. Yum. And a little dash of salt. Not too much. The mortadella is salty. Okay? And that's it. And look at this gorgeous bun. Oh, she's loaded with mayonnaise. It just reminds me so much of Philly. So good. Obviously, you can put tomato and onion and greens and all that stuff if you want. But I've seen them in Italy. Mortadella and provolone only. So good. That little drizzle of balsamic. Anyways, just thought I would share my lunch with you guys. A little mortadella sandwich and a little dark chocolate hummus. I love you. Hope you're having a great day.